Yung VP mo, hinihingi niya ang receipts at surprisingly, binigay naman. Pero bakit ngayon lang at bakit parang ang gaan-gaan ng desisyon na ito? Si Vice President Sara Duterte, she publicly challenged the government to be transparent about officials' foreign trips. Lahat ng travel expenses, lahat ng details. Hindi nag-deny ang palasyo. Palace Press Officer Claire Castro stepped up and said, "Oh, they're willing to disclose everything, all travel authorities and expenses issued by the Office of the President." Pero wait, Castro also said the OP has always been transparent about Marcos Jr.'s foreign trips. Always. Meaning kung totoo yon, bakit pa kailangan ng challenge para ilabas ang datos? The palace accepted Sarah's call, but their answer quietly admits there was something left to prove. Malacanang says, they'll show you every peso spent on every foreign trip. So now we wait and see kung totoong bukas ang mga libro. If you want to keep catching these moments, we cover it every day. Subscribe, because always transparent just got a whole new meaning.